Hello and welcome to another update video about LINK Chainlink. Yeah, we broke above resistance here yesterday. I'm personally quite happy with that. As I indicated in yesterday's video, I did set up my grid bot, and that was just about on time, I think. Extremely pleased with that. I did not buy LINK down here when it actually hit our support area, but anybody who did, amazing trade. I recommended already in the last few videos to move up your stop loss at least to break even, but it's now even further in profit. And what else can I mention? So we broke above resistance. This was quite relevant resistance, and you can see it was so relevant. Or why was it relevant? Because we touched that ceiling here a few times, here as well, yeah, and here, and it was support before. Now we broke above it and had a strong spike, and that spike and volume, as it does with Polkadot as well, indicates that we are now in a third wave. Okay, I cannot rule out other options, but this is at the moment what we reasonably have to go with. And I already indicated yesterday to you what the target would be for the third wave, and actually in the videos before that. We're talking here about wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 to the downside, and the ideal target would then be the 1.618 extension at 990. Now this is sort of what I would want to see at the very least here for this third wave. For LINK, at the very least, normally it could even go up to around about 1074, 1075. Yeah, so I'm counting this move up as a wave 1. Then we had here the yellow A, B, C, and we would then rally in a third wave. I can still not rule out a more bearish option, but this is not relevant at the moment. Yeah, we still have the bearish option on the chart here. I would then have to reset the wave 2 here, to be honest. This is the bearish count. Yeah, let me actually take out those subwaves. We don't need them anymore. Take some of those boxes out. But the bearish count is of course still very much possible. Yeah. However, I would have to move the wave 2 to here. What is the bearish count? The bearish count is that we came down in a wave 1. This was an A, B, and we're now in a C wave to the upside in a wave 2. Yeah. And could still rally a bit higher, yeah, but this would completely be invalidated above 950. But this doesn't matter so much, you know, the bearish count. I would still like to see another low for LINK, absolutely, because I don't like the structure, and I've got enough experience to tell me that if I don't trust the structure, it always leaves a bad taste. But does it matter? No, because we're not biased, yeah. And I highlighted to you, and that's for good reason. You know, if I was biased, I would not have given you this trend reversal possible long trade area that I communicated. So anybody who used it is now massively in profit, and I give you that because there is always typically a bullish and a bearish count, or sometimes we have two bullish counts. You know, here we had a bullish and a bearish one. But as I explained in previous videos, not only in the LINK videos, if you have a valid trade setup, even if it's only the alternative count or a second count, a second scenario, but there is low risk, high reward, by all means, if you want to trade it, trade it. And it's actually what you should do, because you don't trade the count, you don't trade the primary count, you trade the count, or you trade the pivot points. Yeah, you trade the count that's currently being put into advantage by the market, where risk is low, reward is high. So this one worked out. I'm very happy that I set up the grid bot yesterday, made the channel members aware on Discord, Telegram as well about my settings, and of course we are all happy probably now about some decent profits, and I will adjust the range accordingly if we leave it. Okay, that's my update about LINK. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe, and if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.